Hey everyone, Casey Neistat here. Ever feel like learning something new? Maybe photography, graphic design, or even how to make the perfect cup of coffee? Skillshare is where it's at. Skillshare is like a giant online workshop. Thousands of classes all about creativity and making cool stuff. The best part? You can learn at your own pace, anytime, any place. But here's the real kicker. You can teach on Skillshare too. Share your passions, help others learn, and yeah, make some money along the way. Sounds pretty sweet, right? So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Skillshare has something for everyone. Let's dive in and see how you can become a Skillshare teacher. Becoming a Skillshare teacher is way easier than you think. You don't need to be a professional educator or have years of teaching experience. No fancy degrees or certifications required, just a willingness to share what you know. All you need is your passion and knowledge. If you have a skill or a hobby that you love, you can teach it. Here's the game plan. Step 1. Pick your passion. Think about what excites you the most. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What do people always ask you for help with? That's your golden ticket. Your unique expertise is valuable. Step 2. Create your class. Plan out your lessons and structure them in a way that's easy to follow. Skillshare makes it super simple. Film yourself teaching and don't worry about being perfect. Break it down into short lessons, making it digestible for your students. And boom, you've got a class. It's that straightforward. Step 3, upload and share. Hit that upload button, write a catchy description that grabs attention, and let the world see your brilliance. Your class is now live for students to enroll. Step 4, promote, promote, promote. Use every platform you can think of. Share your class on social media, tell your friends, and get the word out. Shout it from the rooftops. The more people you reach, the better. The more people you reach, the more students you get. See? Easy peasy. It's all about spreading the word. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of making your Skillshare class a smash hit. We'll cover tips and tricks to ensure your success. Choosing the right topic for your Skillshare class is key. Think about your skills, hobbies, and things you're passionate about. What unique knowledge can you share with the world? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding ninja, or a master chef. Or maybe you have a knack for knitting, calligraphy, or playing the ukulele. Whatever it is, own it. Don't be afraid to niche down either. Instead of Photography 101, try smartphone photography for beginners or mastering black and white portraits. The more specific, the better. Remember, the goal is to find a topic you're passionate about and that fills a need in the Skillshare community. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming. Section 4, lights, camera, education, creating awesome content. Okay, you've got your topic, now it's time to create your Skillshare masterpiece. This is where the magic happens. Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood studio, just your enthusiasm and a few key ingredients. 1. Keep it concise. People have short attention spans these days. It's crucial to capture their interest quickly and keep them engaged. Break your class into bite-sized lessons, around 5 to 15 minutes each. This makes it easier for students to digest the information and stay focused. 2. High-quality audio and video. Clear audio and well-lit video can make a huge difference in how your content is perceived. You don't need fancy equipment, just make sure your audio is clear and your video is well-lit. A basic microphone and good lighting can go a long way. Natural light is your friend. Position yourself near a window to take advantage of it. 3. Engage your audience. Nobody wants to watch a boring lecture. It's important to keep your energy up and make your lessons interactive. Be energetic, use humor, and ask questions to keep your students involved. 4. Add value. Provide actionable tips, downloadable resources, and assignments to help your students put their newfound knowledge into practice. This adds immense value to your course. Remember, your goal is to create a fun and engaging learning experience. Make your lessons enjoyable and informative. So, relax, be yourself, and let your passion shine through. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and inspire your students to learn. Section 5. Spread the word, marketing. Your Skillshare classes. Creating an awesome class is just the first step. You've put in the hard work, now it's time to let the world know about it. Now you gotta get it in front of those eager students. The more people who see your class, the more successful it will be. Here's how to promote your Skillshare class, like a Pro 1 social media savvy. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a large audience. Share your class on all your social media channels. Don't just post once. Keep your audience updated with regular posts. Create eye-catching graphics, use relevant hashtags, and run contests to boost engagement. 2. Email marketing magic. Email marketing is a direct way to reach your audience. Build an email list and let your subscribers know about your new class. Send out newsletters with updates and special offers. Offer a discount code or exclusive bonus content to sweeten the deal. 3. Collaborate and conquer. Collaboration can significantly expand your reach. Team up with other Skillshare teachers in your niche. Working together can help you tap into each other's audiences. Cross-promote each other's classes and reach a wider audience. 4. Engage with your students. Engagement is key to building a loyal following. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community around your class. Make your students feel valued and heard. Happy students are your best advocates. They will spread the word about your class to their friends and networks. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. It doesn't stop once your class is live. Be consistent, experiment with different strategies, and never stop spreading the word about your amazing Skillshare class. Keep refining your approach based on what works best. With dedication and creativity, your class can reach and inspire many students around the world. Section 6, Skillshare Superstars, Real People, Real Success. Don't just take my word for it, check out these Skillshare rockstars who are killing it. 1. Jessica Hishy. This lettering legend teaches hand lettering and illustration, inspiring thousands of students to embrace their creativity. 2. Aaron Draplin. A graphic design guru, Aaron shares his design process and tips, helping aspiring designers find their unique style. 3. Gary Vaynerchuk. This entrepreneur extraordinaire teaches business and marketing, empowering students to chase their dreams. These are just a few examples of the countless Skillshare teachers who are making a real impact. They're proof that with passion, dedication, and a little hustle, you can achieve amazing things on Skillshare. Section 7, your Skillshare adventure awaits. So there you have it, folks. Skillshare is an incredible platform for both learning and teaching. It's a chance to share your passions, connect with a global community, and yes, even earn some extra cash. Don't let those amazing skills go to waste. Take the leap, create your first class, and who knows, you might just become the next Skillshare sensation. Remember, the world is hungry for knowledge. What will you teach today? Casey Neistat, signing out. Peace.